Yo, what's up guys? Furious TNT here, and yet today in this video we are gonna be exploding this huge TNT creation. But when I looked inside, it was all empty, just all empty. There was no TNT, so I just filled it up with TNT. So yeah, as you can see here, I'll fill it up completely with TNT. So yeah, this is not my creation, someone else, and I borrowed off him. So yeah, he actually made all of this. So he made some glass, compass, chest, and beds over there, some torches as well. So these are also some diamond tools, chicken head, and yeah. So I'm gonna be exploding probably about 1,000 blocks because inside is proper huge. So yeah, I'm just trying to break in a lot of stuff in here. Like if I keep on going down, it seems to be lost here. So yeah, just cover everything here. Okay, sorry, I know it's gonna be lagging a lot, so I'm gonna go really way back, like probably about here. So let's get some flint and steel. So yeah, I'm gonna explode this 1,000 TNT blocks. So it's gonna be totally destruction. So yeah, make sure you subscribe because I'll be doing more of these destroying. Okay, I'll be doing like buildings, cities, and many more. So yeah, let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. So guys, way lagging right now. You see all the TNT are spreading out, dispersed right now. So yeah, more dispersed TNT. This might destroy the whole entire thing. You don't know. It's gonna make super enormous crate right now. So yeah, but we're in flat land. So underneath 2 or 3 glass blocks is gonna be bedrock. So yeah, it's gonna be totally destruction. Whoa. Oh, it's still going on more. You can see over there, the far left. Okay, as I move, it will be lagging a lot. As I move, more TNT will be dispersed. Yeah, so if I go closer here, TNT are still spreading, but you can't see it because of the lag. So yeah, made this crater of 1,000 blocks. So this shadow bedrock, you need light, so just light what's going on. So yeah, I'll be destroying a huge building with probably like 20,000 blocks, but it's gonna take me a long way. So yeah, this torch survived quite a bit. Oh, a tool survived as well. That's cool. Yeah, so these survived. Shovel, axe, pickaxe, that's cool. Oh, beds over there. That survived. There's more. Well, they're spreading. So also chests in there. Chest. Okay. Yeah. The chest has been destroyed. So probably everything, but instead of the tools. So yeah, this was the chicken. This was the glass, the compass, half this survived, there's a bit of there. So yeah, so yeah, As you can see, the world type is flat. If it was not flat like infinity world, then it would make a huge explosion. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big fat thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out any other of these kind of videos, because I'll be doing more probably tomorrow or today, but yes, I will be doing more. So goodbye.